If you suspect that your Uber account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to take immediate action to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account safely. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Go to the Help section. In the app, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Help to access support options. Step 3. Report suspicious activity. In the Help section, look for the option related to account access or security. Choose I think my account has been hacked or a similar option to report the suspicious activity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Uber will provide specific instructions to verify your identity and secure your account. Follow these prompts carefully, which may include verifying your phone number or email address. Step 5. Change your password. Once you regain access to your account, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. After completing these steps, monitor your account for any further suspicious activity and ensure your personal information is secure. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Uber support for further assistance.